Hey guys, welcome to the magical journey of turning simple ingredient into that delicious, dreamy chocolate hazelnut spread you all know and love, Nutella. Ever wondered how those little jars get filled with so much yumminess? Buckle up, because today we're going behind the scenes at the factory to see exactly how the magic happens. Step 1. Receiving and inspecting raw ingredients. First things first, the star players arrive. Hazelnuts, cocoa, sugar, milk powder, and palm oil come from fancy farms and trusted suppliers. At the factory, they don't mess around. Everything is carefully checked for quality, size, moisture, and safety. Only the best get to make the cut. No bad nuts or sad cocoa allowed here. Step 2. Roasting and grinding hazelnuts. Next, the hazelnuts get a hot spa day in the industrial roaster because roasting unlocks that irresistible, nutty flavor. Then they're ground into a silky smooth cream. Think of it as hazelnuts getting a nutty makeover. Step 3. Processing and grinding cocoa. Cocoa beans get their VIP treatment. Roasted to perfection to release that rich chocolate aroma, cracked open to get the nibs, the chocolate chips of the cocoa world. These nibs are ground and pressed into cocoa butter and fine cocoa powder, ready to make Nutella irresistibly chocolatey. Step 4. Handling milk powder. Milk is pasteurized and dried into powder, like turning fresh milk into instant magic dust that keeps Nutella creamy. Every batch is taste tested, so only the best gets through. Step 5. Preparing refined sugar. Sugar, from beets or sugarcane, is washed, refined, and crystallized into tiny sweet crystals that melt perfectly in the spread. Sugar's way of saying, "I got you covered." Step 6. Preparing palm oil. Palm oil is extracted carefully to keep Nutella's texture smooth and prevent separation, unlike your last online date's excuses. It's the secret behind that creamy, spreadable goodness. Step 7. Mixing ingredients. All these superstar ingredients are tossed into a giant mixing bowl, a Nutella party of the century. They're blended nonstop until perfectly smooth and ready to spread on literally anything. Step 8. Quality control. Quality experts taste and inspect every batch like picky food critics, but way nicer. Because who wants anything less than perfect Nutella? Step 9. Automatic packaging. Robots pour the silky spread into jars, fill, seal, label, and print expiry dates faster than you can say Nutella for breakfast. Hygiene and efficiency are top-notch. Step 10. Storage and shipping. Finally, jars are stored in climate-controlled warehouses, waiting for their trip to your local store or your kitchen shelf. Nutella's journey is carefully managed to keep it fresh and tasty. So next time you spread Nutella on your toast, remember, it's not just a spread, it's a whole factory of love and magic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious adventures.